In the heart of Detroit, there's a building that once symbolized the future. Michigan Central Station wasn't just a train terminal. When it opened in 1913, it was the tallest train station ever built, designed to impress anyone who arrived in the Motor City. Inside were marble floors, chandeliers, soaring archways, more than 4,000 passengers every single day. But as Detroit's auto industry slowed and train travel declined with it, the crowds faded. In 1988, the station closed. For decades, the building stood empty, towering over Corktown as a symbol of what the city had lost. Wind, rain, and time carved into every surface, turning one of America's grandest stations into one of its most photographed ruins. But the story wasn't over. In 2018, Ford Motor Company bought the station, not to demolish it, but to restore it. Thousands of workers repaired the roof, rebuilt the waiting room, and replaced over 9,000 windows. The abandoned landmark slowly came back to life. Today, Michigan Central Station stands again, not as a train hub, but as a center for innovation, technology, and Detroit's next chapter. A building that once marked Detroit's rise, then its fall, now marks its comeback.